Today is April 12, 2024. We're looking at the SPY. Yeah, today's SPY has a huge drop because we had a big resistance, 5-day, 10-day, and 20-day moving average. So yesterday bounce or reversal was fake. A turnaround, and we have 50-day moving average support now. Yeah, even gap down, the gap is not filled. It just kept on going down. We have a 98-point drop today. Let's look at the support resistance, see what will happen next week. Okay, let's look at the VIX. This is the VIX daily chart. Is trading above this red line here. Is a 200-day moving average. What does it mean? That means, it's a bearish for stock market, but it's a bullish for the VIX. It's bearish for the stock market. But look at the Bollinger Bands. This one here. There's a Bollinger Band. The upper band of Bollinger, every time trade and close above the upper band Bollinger Band, what happened to the next day? Pull back. This one, pull back. This one, pull back. And this one even went up. This one, not enough momentum, pull back. And this one too. So this, you can do the homework yourself. This gives us odds on which side. For Monday, chances of pulling retracement for the VIX should be pulled back on Monday. How about in terms of SPY? Look at the SPY now. The SPY daily chart. The Bollinger Band on the SPY. It just barely touched the lower band bottom. And we got support here, 50-day. The yellow line is a 50-day moving average. So hard to say. But if you look at the SPY daily chart, there's a huge gap below at 450 500 level. 500 level, 497 be exact. Watch out this gap. It might be filled next week. Two ways to play it. If we, on the both side, we should test. We should have a retracement, go back up, test 5-day or 20-day moving average. If not, then we'll break below the 50-day moving average. If you look at the futures and Dow Jones, both already trading below 50-day moving average, not on the SPY. Let's see next week, it will keep on falling. I would say next week range should be, should be strong support, 497. There's a big gap here. It will fill it, and then bounce again. That would be a good way to play it. If on Monday it go back here and bounce, that would be perfect. Otherwise, if it goes up first and take down, that's another way. So watch out. We're gonna use smaller time frame for entry. You want to take scalp or take, quick profit, use smaller time frame, like 1 minute, 2 minute. Like today, 1 minute, 2 minute. That's my favorite strategy. 50 moving average cross 200. Look at 1 minute. Happens again. Believe it or not. And now at close, it seems like 50 wants to cross about 200. And look at 2 minute. It's heading up that way too. That means there's a chance of, good chance of retracement up, going up. And also look at the Bollinger Band. The VIX here is trading above. If VIX pull back, that means stock market should go up. The stock market should go up. But again, look at the SPY. The SPY support is 500. There's still lots of room to go down. Once break, the 50-day moving average, most likely it will be broken, but don't know when. Now let's look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones, it's very interesting to see Dow Jones. Look at daily chart. How many down bar we have? We have 9 down bar this month in April. Count it yourself. And only have 1 up bar. From my statistic, I did the statistic before. Usually up bar and down bars are well balanced. So for this case, down bar is outnumber up bar. So it's going to correct itself. And also look at daily chart. It seems, forming a falling wedge to me. There's another sign. The Dow Jones might have a bounce, a good bounce next week. And look at what else we can look at? We can look at the Bollinger Band, the Dow Jones. Again, it's trading below the lower band, Bollinger Band. Very good chance we'll have a good bounce on Monday. No need to make it so complex, make it so complicated to do the analysis. Some simple thing. So Dow Jones might turn around, have a good bounce. With a falling wedge. So probably will be like this. Come back here and then test the 20-day moving average. Here, test the 20-day moving average and then go down again. That's next week. So in terms of SPY, watch out for this level here with a gap. Looks like will be filled. Once break below the 50-day moving average, definitely will go all the way down to fill the gap. If the 50-day holds, it will go back to test 5-day and 20-day moving average. Let's look at futures ES, E-mini. Look at the daily chart here. Look at the MACD. It's still strong momentum. There's no divergence. Looks like it wants to go down more. Even the futures at 50-61 level has a small gap. It's equivalent to SPY at 497 level. So watch out. If on Monday has no significant retracement, probably it will keep on going down to fill the gap. And look at 240 minute. The 50 moving average is ready to cross 200 moving average. It's going to cross. That means it's very bearish. That's not a good sign. I suspect even on Monday or Tuesday have a good bounce. It's not gonna turn around and have a reversal unless have to trade above 52, 51 level. Otherwise, it looks like in total lower low, lower high. It's quite bearish. So look for your entry. You can use smaller time frame for entry. That's a good way to look at it. Now I'm expecting a bounce based on the Dow Jones and also Bollinger Band. However, it's still bearish. If it doesn't look good to you, you have to turn around. I'm done for the analysis. Thank you for watching the video. Good luck on your trading. See you on Monday. Goodbye.